Yes, hello friends. Today we are going to study about the business environment. We are well known about the term business, but we must understand the meaning of environment. Environment means just surrounding in which we all of us are living. Hence, general environment include certain living and non-living things. Similarly, biotic and abiotic things. Hence, the environment is much important for every being. Similarly, it is also important for the business organization because the surroundings or business have certain impact on our day-to-day activities as well as the performance. Hence, here we are going to study about business environment. It means that every business operates in a particular type of surroundings or environment which have its greater impact on business and business operations, because business can't be operated in isolated vacuum. There is a need of lot of support from various support systems. Hence, environment certainly affects on the business. When we are going to say it is a business environment, it is made up of two factors. Business environment is a combination of two factors. First is internal factor and another one external factors. External factors. First of all, we must know that the meaning of internal factors, why they are called as internal factors. Internal factors are within control factors of business organization. Within control means the organization can change it according to their requirement and convenience. So, these factors are controllable factors of every business organization. इसका मतलब ये है कि जिन फैक्टर्स को बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अपनी हिसाब से, अपनी कन्वीनियंस से चेंज कर सकती है, उस फैक्टर्स को इंटरनल फैक्टर्स कहा जाता है. व्हाट फैक्टर्स आर कवर्ड अंडर इंटरनल फैक्टर्स? तो इसमें वैल्यू सिस्टम आ सकती है. वैल्यू सिस्टम, value system. Second one, management structure. Management structure, then human resource, next internal power relationship, इंटरनल पावर रिलेशनशिप. वैल्यू सिस्टम, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के वैल्यू सिस्टम क्या होनी चाहिए? इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन एवरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. वैल्यू सिस्टम्स आर वैरी फ्रॉम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टू ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. फॉर एग्जांपल, JRD Tata had decided the value system or inculcate the values. They never adopt the unfair or unethical practices in the interest of customers, employees, shareholders and investors. Similarly, management structure. What are the levels of management and what will be the designation of every level? Next one, human resource. Generally 2 or 3 types of human resource is required in every organization: skilled, semi-skilled and unskilled. And the requirement of human resource also differ from organization to organization. Then internal power relationship. The human resource who is working on a key post, then what are the relations between them? If there are cordial relations, good relations, then they may create healthy atmosphere at workplace. Hence, it certainly affects on the business internally. So, these factors are generally considered in internal factors, and they are called as internal factors because organization can change these factors as per the requirement and convenience. Then we will go for the next part, that is external factors. What is the meaning of external factors? The factors which are uncontrollable. Uncontrollable means beyond control, outside the business organization, means any single firm or organization can't control them, means can't change them. These factors should be adopted by the business organization as it is. Organization should adjust itself according to the external factors because organization has no choice to change them. Hence, there is a greater impact on business environment of external factors. एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स का सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट बिजनेस एंड बिजनेस ऑपरेशंस पे होता है क्योंकि इन फैक्टर्स को कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चेंज नहीं कर सकती, वो जैसे है वैसे ही अडॉप्ट करने पड़ते हैं। बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को खुद को उस फैक्टर्स के अकॉर्डिंग खुद को एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है। तो इन एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स में फर्स्ट फैक्टर आता है सोशल एनवायरनमेंट, सेकेंड वन इकोनॉमिक एनवायरनमेंट, थर्ड वन पॉलिटिकल एनवायरनमेंट, फोर्थ टेक्नोलॉजिकल and fifth one legal environment. Legal environment. Social environment, because the social pattern, lifestyle of the society, likes and dislikes of the consumers, people, their preferences, expectations can't change by the business organization, but organization should adjust itself according to the likes, dislikes, preferences, lifestyle of the society. Similarly, customs and traditions also covered in social environment. Hence, it certainly matters in business environment due to changes in social environment. There are so many opportunities are opened for the business. It is necessary to search them and take the advantage of that opportunities. Second one, economic environment. To study the economic environment of any country or a state, it is necessary to focus on three important points. First is economic condition. In economic condition, what is the level of income, level of consumption, then per capita income, national income of the country, etc. is considered in economic condition. Then second, economic policies which are framed by the government, because business organization have certain impact of government policies. For example, taxation policy. Taxation policy also affects on the business organization. Similarly, industrial policy, export-import policy, monetary policy, fiscal policy, all these policies have a greater impact on business operations. Therefore, they also considered in economic environment. And third important factor under economic environment is economic system. Economic system. we all are known about. India has adopted mixed economy where there is a combination of private sector and public sector. Both sectors are coexist in Indian economy. Then third one is political environment where the role of ruling party or a government is much important. The decisions of government, policies of government, then rules, regulations of the government certainly affects on the business operations. We have experienced at the time of demonetization, every human being as well as business organization suffered a lot due to the decision of government. Similarly, the decision of GST. Hence, the political stability in the country is much important. Hence, it have also a greater impact on business environment. Therefore, political environment also affects on the business environment. Then technological environment, it is observed that there is a lot of advancement in technological field and it becomes necessary, compulsory to adopt the advanced technology to cope up with the increasing competition or to survive in the competition. Hence, adoption of technological changes becomes essential to each and every business organization. In the situation of COVID-19, offline education system is quite replaced by online education system and it becomes essential to every educational institution to adopt this change. Otherwise, they will not survive in the competitive environment. Hence, technological environment have a greater impact on the business organizations. Next one, legal environment, in which different types of laws, rules and regulations of the government are covered. So, every business organization should be aware about the rules and regulations framed by the government, acts enacted by the government, because unintentionally if any act or rule is violated by the business organization, then it will be caused for fine, penalty, etc. To avoid this, such awareness is much essential among the business organization. Therefore, study about legal environment also important, much essential. So, these are the main factors of business environment. Hence, we can say business environment is a totality of all internal and external factors. But external factors are mostly covered under business environment because they have a direct or indirect impact on business. Hence, study, understanding of external environment is much important. On the basis of these factors, we can say business environment is something which is internal as well as external factors, which we have already seen, having an effect. हर एक फैक्टर का एक डेफिनेट इफेक्ट होता है. इफेक्ट इज आइदर पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. दो ही तरह के इफेक्ट आ सकते हैं, because the business environment is always keeps on changing. It is not static, constant. Business environment is a dynamic. Hence, it is necessary to continuous monitor, observe the changes occurred in every external factor which have certain effect on business directly or indirectly. अगर इन फैक्टर्स का डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली कुछ इफेक्ट हो रहा है तो उस इफ़ेक्ट के बारे में हमें अवेयर होना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर इफ़ेक्ट पॉजिटिव है तो हमारे सामने अपॉर्चुनिटी ला सकता है, अगर इफ़ेक्ट नेगेटिव है, रिस्क क्रिएट करने वाला है, तो रिस्क कम से कम रखने के लिए ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस प्रयास कर सकती है। हेंस it is necessary to understand the circle of business environment or the process of business environment in which continuously changes are going on, and these changes open an opportunity for few business and it may create risk for few business. We have seen the situation of COVID-19. This situation becomes an opportunity to some business. For example, medical field, grocery shops, IT sector, etc. are more benefited by the situation. Other business organization suffer from a lot of loss due to the pandemic situation. Situation is same, but it affects positively on certain business and it affects negatively on certain business. Hence, continuous study of the process is necessary to identify its effect, either positive or negative. Positive or negative. So friends, today we have seen the concept of business environment, which is much important for the business organizations to face the competition, to survive in the competition, to earn and maximize the profit, etc. Okay, remaining part in this regard will continue in the next video. Thank you.